Hey, what's going on, traders? This is just another video I decided to do. I want to talk about what happened uh, during the 6th to the 10th of last week, the week that just passed, and a review was what's to come next week, the possibilities of what might happen. On my last video, I had spoke about the market not reaching 115, not just yet, because it's not ready to reach up there. As you can see on the weekly chart, you see it's just too much resistance, strong resistance. And then the week close, you can see the bearish candle right here. It's just a pretty strong candle, so we'll see if by next week we'll have some bullish days. But I personally think we might still be heading down just a bit more. When you look at the daily, like I had mentioned, we had a bearish regular divergence, and we had it on the daily chart, we had it on the 4-hour, we had it even on the 1-hour chart. And as I mentioned, when you get it back to back like that, that's just a strong indication that price is not ready to break through this price, to this current price zone where it's at right now. It kept fighting from 114 back down to 113, and it closed at 113 5-1. So now I kind of believe that we might reach these levels possibly. If it closes below this, below these price, then the possibility is that we might actually head a bit more down. We might actually head a bit more down than expected. So it may, I had posted earlier a few hours ago on my Instagram. I'm gonna see if I show you guys, but I'm gonna break it down here. What I think might happen, just a possibility of what can happen. Price may come down here, and do this. And that's if we're from now on we're looking at this currency pair to come down. This is just a possibility of what can happen. Because you can see, look at all the resistance that's been going on. Is 2 attempts before, and it still hasn't been able to reach 115 yet. So it's just a possibility. So let me erase these things. I think come next week we might still hit. We might come down here. The possibility I show you, that's just one. The other one is it might come down here towards this previous support resistance zone around this area, and then shoot back up if it's going to hit 115. If not, then you might be looking at this Usdjpy pair to continue a bit more down. So we'll see what's to come. I had mentioned how these two wick fills had these two wicks had to get filled, and it did. These were my targets, and they all got hit. And I want you guys to bear with me for now. I trade from my phone, but my laptop currently is actually a little the audio and the camera's not working. That's how I haven't been able to record from it. But for now, I'll be bringing you some updates through my phone. If you guys can clearly hear it and see it, then just comment below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up and let me know what you think about this video. Thank you.